Ireland has a lot of amazing opportunities, and as I've been sharing these opportunities, today I want to share with you more opportunities and companies that are massively recruiting in Ireland. If these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, then please watch this video till the end for you to understand, because I'll be sharing my screen with you and showing you these amazing opportunities that will allow you to move to Ireland in 2024. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad, jobs, for study, and also for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I do not take you guys for granted. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so down below. Like and share this video. You'll help YouTube recommend this video to more people who are looking for this kind of information. It is December, and December I'm sharing 2 videos daily, so the only way you can do and you can be updated is for you to turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload, you are updated. Ireland is one of the best places to settle abroad or in the larger Europe, because Ireland boasts a very rich culture. It is next to United Kingdom, and you'll enjoy you traveling around Europe. Also, the Ireland or the Irish economy is quite good, and they pay really good amounts of money. That is the annual pay, and even their hourly pay is quite good. So if you've been looking to settle anywhere around Europe, then I'll say look out for Ireland, because they are massively recruiting, and that is something they announced sometime in mid-July of this year. So right now they have opened a lot of doors, and I've also shared a lot of amazing opportunities here, saying and giving you a list of when the Irish government said over the last 1 year they have given more than 40,000 work permits for people to relocate from abroad to move to Ireland. So if you are looking for opportunities and you're anywhere in Africa, my friends from Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, please, there have been a lot of stories that Ireland is not welcoming or has banned some of my counterparts in Africa, but the truth is people are still getting their work permits to move to Ireland. There is a lot of positive testimonies on the Irish people and what Ireland offers in terms of resources, healthcare, and everything concerning the education system. And for you to move with your family, it is also a very welcoming place where it allows you to move with your dependents or with your family. So I want to share my screen with you, and we'll discuss these companies that are recruiting in Ireland, and they are actually giving work permits. So that means they are giving visa sponsorships. So if these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, then please continue watching this video till the end. I am not going to share the links on the description box, because I want you to watch the video, see the names of this company, then at your own free time, please, you can Google these companies and see what they are offering. The first company we are going to look at is called Abbey Heaven. It is a care center and a nursing home, offering everything between elderly care, caregiving, and also nursing home. So this opportunity is a very good opportunity for anyone who is looking for opportunities around elderly care, live-in care, and if you're a nurse and if you're a care assistant and you want to give these services, you know everything to do with care homes and nursing homes. It means that you have to be a live-in. That means you're given, in most instances, you're given accommodation and food, because you have to live with those people. Some of these patients are dementia, and they're dementia patients, and they have also other conditions. So you need to live with them, or they need to be watched 24/7. So in most of these circumstances, facilities like Abbey Heaven Care Center and nursing home, they need people who want to be living caregivers. So if these are the opportunities you're looking out for, then I'll say come on this website, read as much as you can about what opportunities they have and how to go about application, because everything is on these websites. Guys, please, you have to do a lot of research, the same way we also do a lot of research. You have to come to these websites, get the name or read as much as you can about these websites. Then if you find these are places that are okay for you, because it is also good for us to know that healthcare jobs really need people who have a calling, because it is not mere feat, or it is not very easy work. So you really need to be okay with offering such kind of services, and you need to be sure, because if you apply for these opportunities and they come your way, you need to be very okay with you working in such places. Anything to do with elderly care homes, nursing homes, it is also not very easy. Like you'll understand with elderly care, it has everything to do with Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, dementia. So it is not very easy to deal with such patients. You need to be very passionate about these amazing opportunity. So guys, at your own free time, please do the needful. And then you'll understand what is required of you, because I always feel like we always need to understand what is required of us before applying for these jobs, because it is what it is required of us. So I want us to look at another care home and what it offers. And also it is actually a care home also, rather, and they have a lot of amazing opportunities where you can volunteer. Right now there is a lot of open recruitment, and it is called Brothers of Charity in Ireland. Brothers of Charity. So if you want to read about what they are, you just come also to the website, Google the website, read as much as you can from when it was established, what they deal with, and also they are looking for overseas workers. Currently there is a lot of opportunities in Brothers of Charity, so this is the time that you need to apply for these jobs, and they are very open. They're actually very well known to actually recruit overseas workers. So if these are the kind of opportunities you're looking for, come to these overseas applicants bar, click there, and then you'll get all the information you need for you to move to this place as an overseas applicant or as an overseas worker. The reason why I tell you guys to do this on your own, because most of the times we are just casually taking you through these websites. We cannot cover everything, because also we do not want our videos to be too long. So I want you guys at your own free time, come and read about these like Brothers of Charity. If you want a work visa, they are also saying like they are offering work visas for foreigners and immigrants. So these are the kind of things you need to do on your own. If you want to read more about the Irish immigration, they are also sharing that. If you want to know what vacancies there is also that part of the website. If you want a permanent job, a full-time, a temporary full-time, then also they are on these websites, and you'll also see all the jobs from nursing, physiotherapy, social workers, and what not. So these are things that you have to do at your own free time, so that you'll understand what is okay with you in terms of if you're ready to apply for these jobs. You need to know if these opportunities are for you. There are a lot of amazing opportunities in Ireland. Guys, please be on the lookout. I don't want you to miss on anything. Please remember to like and share this video with your family and friends who are looking for information to move abroad. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload, remember I am uploading twice a week during this Christmas season or the December holiday, and that is because I want you guys to be as equipped as much as you can. Please be safe, keep safe, and until next time, bye.